But then Clay and the other guy got abused, and they were like, we were there for like an extra hour. They were finishing the abuse and shit. I was like, buddy.
Alright, welcome back to Forest Glory Outdoors. And it's not focusing.
Oh, I have my shirt on.
Yep, Nate doesn't have a shirt on. This thing in his vehicle is too dang bright. Opening day of Indiana. We're gonna see if we can get Nate his first bird. So stay tuned. Just heard a gobble. Don't know if people are calling at it. There may be other people out here. Sounds like a tom to me.
That's good enough for me.
Yeah. I'd shoot it, Nate. I shot my first one. I didn't know what it was. He's coming. think it's that? You may come up to the top. No, because we were just up there. I'll get out of your way. I don't know if this is the same bird, because the other one came in quiet. Yeah, now he's over here. Gonna freaking kill this bird, watch. He's gonna come. Hopefully he gets close enough with that big tree in your way. I'm gonna go right over your shoulder. He ain't gonna see me. By the time you should be able to shoot. Where'd you last hear him gobble? Okay, point a little bit that way. Stand on the tree. More. You gotta have the tree right to your back. Okay, hurry, get ready. Where's he at? That way out. You're gonna have a tiny window to shoot. Think you're gonna be good there? Yeah. Okay, hopefully I don't see a better tree behind us. Unless you think you can get to the one in front, the big one up there. Okay. That one behind us may come. We'll shoot this one in front of us and I'll get the one behind.
Sounds like a plan.
He's coming, Nate. He's probably gonna go to your right down that road. Huh? It's kind of just where he gobbles is where you want to stay pointed. Do what?
He's like straight ahead.
Yeah. Do what? I don't see anything. Just stay still. You know what to do. He's coming. Is he coming to the right? I think it's a little more to your right.
Shoot this far, Logan. Try to shoot this far.
Where?
Right there.
Oh. Shoot him, shoot him. Go, run after him. Go. You got him. Let's go, Nate. I didn't even see him. Go get him. I didn't even see him. Let's go. Hold him up by his head. Just keep holding him till he dies. Dude, I didn't even see him. There had to have been two.
I must have got him in the neck there.
Something. It was a far shot.
Yeah, that was a long shot.
Holy crap. Let's go. I told you there'd be birds up here.
That was a great call.
That's a good bird, Nate.
Dang, it was worth it. It was a long walk.
Yeah. Well, Nate got his. Now there's another one hammering. So we're gonna see if we can double up and get out of here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wasn't the greatest camera footage, and I apologize, but I had no idea that turkey was coming in. So hopefully, I haven't edited the video yet when I'm making this outro. So hopefully I was able to zoom in the best I could in the editing software. But it had a great time with Nate. That was the first time we've ever hunted together, and let alone turkey hunting. That was his first turkey, so it was awesome. Had a great time. Looking forward to having more hunts in the future together, that's for sure. So yep, turkey season is now over. Unfortunately I missed my bird that first Saturday after opening day on Wednesday. So and I didn't have the camera with me. It was just me and my dad. So yep, so I think this will probably be the only video, or the last video for this year. So may have some more videos, you know, to fish and whatever coming up, but
we will see. Thank you guys for watching.